In order to emphasize text passages or words or to give more detailed information about something, it is advisable to insert them as a written text field. First, click on Interfaces in the Project Resources tab and then on Text. Select the plus button. Among Interface, you will find the option to insert text. A new text field New Text appears in the selected folder. Using drag and drop, you can then drag your text field into the appropriate sequence. On the right side you have the possibility to define the text field more precisely. Delete the parent element. Afterwards you can enter your desired text manually under Text or search for the ID from the text content. You also have the options to change the name, position, font, size and color. Of course, you can also position the text field manually in the screen area as you wish. If you want your text to appear only for a specific duration, double-click next to the text box in your timeline and position it where you want it to appear for the desired time.
Hello.
Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.